Whenever you start a project on a bike, there's always a danger of mission creep. It happens in every project. Now with this bike, I'm doing a service, I've replaced the exhaust, and one of the things I spotted, which surprised me, was on subframe at the front, one side there's a slight crack, only small. It might have been there forever. However, now I know it's there, it's going to prey on my mind. And if I was going over any bumps on this bike, especially with a pillion, I'd be expecting it to snap off and we'd be sat on the rear wheel. Not a good thought. So what I've decided to do, I've bought myself a new subframe. Well, new to me anyway. No cracks, looks in great nick. All I've got to do is swap it with the one on the bike. It's only held on by 4 bolts, should take no time. Apart from everything back here is attached to that. What I'm going to try and do is the minimum I can to swap it over. Take the cowl off, see where things are connected, disconnect them, leave everything in place as much as possible, take off the old subframe, put on the new. I can feel my mission creeping while I'm thinking that, can you? when you're doing work on a bike, you come across all sorts of things, and it would appear that this bike has had an updated regulator and rectifier at some time. And the reason I know that is the actual holes don't line up on this new subframe. There was a new hole drilled on the old one. So what I'm basically going to do is drill a new hole. And just need to make sure it's going to be in the right place. I'm going to go with that. That was a bit of a whiz-bang video of me taking the subframe off and replacing it. The reality is, like I said, the subframe itself is only held on by 4 bolts at the front. It's everything else that's hanging off it that causes you a bit of an issue. Going through it all, the side panels are held on by 2 screws at the back, or 3 screws at the back, and by 2 bolts in the side. Each one of them is a slightly different one, different screws, different bolts. Why do they do that? I really don't know. Had to take the wiring out, take the battery off. The plastic subframe, plastic tray that goes in the subframe is actually only held on by 2 screws at this end. Really, you know, not a big deal at all. It clips at the front, bit of a fiddle to get that out. I've got a new regulator rectifier that obviously I needed to drill another hole to put that on. Put it all back together, got it as tidy as it was before. It never looks as clean in the videos as it actually is. I gave all this stuff a good clean over with some brake cleaner and soap and water, and it's doesn't look bad in the flesh, but on the video it looks like I've never even touched it. Hey, not to worry. Right, so that's the subframe changed. I won't be sitting on the back wheel, I do hope. If you've enjoyed this, you could subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Anyway, thanks for watching along, and I do hope if there was anything useful in there, you put something in the comments just to say it was handy to be able to see whatever.